How to delete order history in Swiggy. So if you want to delete order history in Swiggy, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you have a stable internet connection, then just follow these steps. So first you need to open up your phone and go to the Swiggy app. And after opening your Swiggy app, the second step is to go to the help section. After that, start your chat there with the Swiggy customer care team, and you will receive a call from them to resolve your problem. Explain your query on how to delete order history in Swiggy. Then they will resolve your problem shortly. Or the other step is you need to open up your email and click on Compose and write an email to Swiggy team regarding how to delete order history from Swiggy. In the subject line, you need to type request to tell how to delete history quickly and write a whole message, and keep in mind sharing your account information. Drop your email at support@swiggy.in. They will contact with you soon to resolve your problem. So these are the two ways on how you can delete your order history in Swiggy. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.